So what's up, YouTube? It's me, Handy Danny, and I want to do a quick review on this M18 little blower by Milwaukee. Man, this thing is a boss. I got a 9.0 hooked to it right now, and what I found is the more battery you have on it, the better it blows. No pun intended. But check it out. Watch this. A clean tool is a happy tool. Shout out to my buddy Madison for enlightening me on that little tip there. But I take it on the rooftop with me when I need to blow out some gutters and whatnot. But it's a great little tool. Let me know in the comments if you got one or if you're going to get one. And let me know if I'm missing anything that I could possibly do with this tool. All right. Thanks for watching. All right. Bye.